back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a back porch refresh. This is always one of my favorite videos to do. I have so much fun decorating this back porch. This fern just does not want to let me film. And this is by far my favorite setup yet, so I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. If you're new here, hi and welcome. My name's Tristina and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. I love sharing everything homemaking and motherhood with you guys, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean so much to me if you'd press that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube journey. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get right into cleaning and decorating my back porch. So before we start decorating, Tristan and I are just leaf blowing the little patio here. It was very bad. It has not been touched since last fall. So throughout the winter, it just became really bad. I probably should have taken out the pressure washer for the siding, but I didn't. I just took a cleaning rag and some cleaning spray and went ahead and scrubbed the parts that were like worse than the other parts, and you know, it came out just fine. It's just gonna get dirty again anyways, right?
So let your guard down, and I say, see it in your mind, trust that.
The last thing we're gonna wipe down before we get to decorating is my bench that I picked up from Target last year. They actually had this again this year, so if you guys like this bench, it is still at Target. But this was super dusty just from being out here and not being touched in a while, and definitely needed a good wipe down. But then I'm gonna go ahead and replace it in the exact same spot it was before. It just fits here perfectly.
Knocked you out.
I'm also going to bring back out this little plant stand, but this year I'm going to use it as like just a little end table next to the bench. I also got this from Target last year. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some throw pillows on the bench that I actually picked up from my mom's porch. But that means she got them from Amazon because she's an Amazon lover. On the little end table, I'm adding this lantern I got from Hobby Lobby and just a citronella candle for if we're sitting out here. That way we can go ahead and light that. And now on the opposite side, I'm adding this cute rustic green bench that I picked up from my mom's porch, as well as a basket from Walmart with some daisies, I believe these are, in it. And then to offset that, I'm adding this lantern on the opposite side that again is from my mom's porch, but she got it from Walmart. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw a little throw pillow up here as well. I obviously didn't want this side to be functional like I did the other side, so I kind of wanted to just decorate this really cute. And I love the way that this came out. I love the pop of green that we have there. And then this year I decided to opt for ferns instead of flowers. I just fell in love with these as soon as I saw them. I love how big they are, and I just love the greenery. And I just love them. And I figured those with the pop of yellow that I had going is perfect. And as I was getting ready to honestly be pretty close to done, I saw the opportunity to hang some little planters here. I have these that go to a clock, and I was like, oh my god, those would be so perfect on that little side panel. And since I didn't have any florals for them, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some fake florals for now. Fern is in the way. I gathered some random greenery, just all sorts of different stems that I had sitting around. I'm gonna have to take this down. And I'm just gonna hopefully make them work in here for now.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming.
I did the best work I could with what I have here for plants. I do wish I had a few more of these baskets, but I think it's cute either way. Even with the broken pool in the background. I wanted to keep a super simple wreath since there's a lot going on, and then I have these wind chime that 100% remind me of my dad. Frogs were his thing, and as soon as I saw this, I just had to pick it up kind of in remembrance of him. And then for my doormat, this clip actually got a little out of order here, but for my underlayer, I have this green color going on that kind of matches the bench. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, as well as this new doormat. I love the black ones because they disguise the dirt a little bit. And it just says welcome and leave by 9, which is like perfect for my granny self.
How you make me feel like got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I do. If you got to the end of the video, please leave the little plant greenery emoji down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!